how you can create AI chatbot with ChatGPT. Easier, faster, and more important, you can have a lower price. You can train this chatbot with the answers that you want. You want to start earning money, you can create a chatbot and offer to the businesses. The ChatGPT will give you the exact things that you must. So you'll have one-time payment and you will receive monthly subscription from your customers. In this video, I will tell you from scratch how you can create AI chatbot. You don't need to have any knowledge at all. Let's have a look on this AI chatbot that I created in 1 hour without having any knowledge in coding. So you can easily click on the button and you can start conversation with it. So I can say hi, and this is the answer from the restaurant AI chatbot. I specifically create this chatbot for the restaurant, and you can ask your question: what are hours of operation? Here's our restaurant is open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day on a week. So another question: do you offer delivery? Yes, we deliver within 5 miles radius. Or any other question: can you help me for low calories? You can say, of course, I'd be happy to help you find a low calories option. What type of cuisine are you in the mood for? I use ChatGPT for creating this AI bot. So in this video, I will tell you from scratch how you can create this AI chatbot for yourself with ChatGPT. And at the end, I will tell you about the new generation of AI, which is called DeepSeek. There are so many differences between DeepSeek and ChatGPT. You will receive a faster response and also more intelligence. And the most important part is price. The price of ChatGPT is so high. Once you ask ChatGPT the question, it calls token, how many tokens you want. But DeepSeek, you can consider it free. By $2, you can receive 1 million tokens. So this is a great option for you. So first step will be telling you about ChatGPT. And after that, we will go with DeepSeek. Both of them are similar. So once you understand how you can create your AI chatbot with ChatGPT, you can transfer it to DeepSeek. To be easier, faster, and more important, you can have a lower price for your token. What's the use of this chatbot? First, just consider you have one business. You don't want to hire someone for answering the question. So you will create a chatbot like this, and you will install it on your website, and easily it can answer to the question of your customers. And you can train this chatbot with the answers that you want. So if you want for the restaurant, you can tell to this chatbot about your working hours or any other question that you have in your mind based on the frequency question. And at the end, you can have your own chatbot. Or if you don't have any business, but you want to start earning money by this idea, you can create a chatbot as a template and you can offer to the businesses. For example, there is a local restaurant in your neighborhood. You can go there and tell them you will be the first restaurant in my city, for example, or in my neighborhood that can offer AI chatbot. So the customers can scan and they can talk with your specialist. In this chatbot, I give a rule to ChatGPT that consider yourself as a food specialist. So it can guide people based on the food specialist. First of all, you need to open ChatGPT, and I'm sure that you know how to work with ChatGPT. We need one prompt. I shared this prompt in the description. You can download it, but there are some important things in this prompt. First, we mentioned I want to create a simple AI chatbot for local businesses. You have to change this for your businesses. For example, for customer service or a website that are working on the Forex or whatever that you want to give this chatbot to that. That's the answer common customer question. So this is also very important. Answers common customer question, our location, whatever you want to add, you have to add it here. You need to write this prompt to ChatGPT to receive the code that I'm telling you. There are some important things in this prompt. First of all, have a look at it. I want to create a simple AI chatbot for local businesses. This is very important. For example, if you want for a restaurant, you must say for restaurant. If you want for a website that are working for Forex, you have to mention this specifically. The answer common question, this will be the common question that you have to put on it. Whatever you want. Include the downloadable HTML, so you don't need to change this one, and you don't need to change number 3 also. You don't need this one. It's only related about the UI and Python. This is the name for the Python file, and this is the name for the HTML. This is very important. I just clearly mentioned this chatbot should be hybrid because there are some predefined answers, for example, about your location. So you will tell to your chatbot these predefined answers, and also it should be hybrid. Once the customer answers is out of this question, this chatbot should use ChatGPT or DeepSeek to answer your customers. This is very important. You don't need to change it. And this will be the question that you can change it also. Just consider what kind of question you want to add as a predefined question. And easily, you need to go to ChatGPT and paste this message. And let's see what will happen. ChatGPT are generating a code for us about hybrid chatbot. So these are a code. Actually, I'm not touching anything. So all the code was done by ChatGPT. You don't need to do anything. So we must wait for coding to be completed. And after completing the code, you can see the required file. The ChatGPT will give you the exact things that you must do. You have to install the Flask. You have to install Python on your computer to run this chatbot, to test it. So once you test it from local system, you can transfer it to the server and you can put it in whatever website that you want. So here you can see it gives you the instruction how to run this chatbot. So I just want to run this chatbot for myself. This is a code of chatbot that you can see here. We put it here in the app. You can ask ChatGPT to give me download file. It will give gives you download file based on HTML and also Python code. I have to change the directory in my terminal to be the same directory that my chatbot is available. I'm using Mac. If you are using a Windows, you can ask ChatGPT, how can I run it on Windows? So if you are using Mac, you should go to terminal. So you need to use this code cd and downloads and my chatbot GPT. This is the directory of my chatbot. As you can see, it's changed now. And look at the chatbot here. This is app.py that ChatGPT generated, and this is the index. A very important thing. Once you complete the code, here I want to show you the code from ChatGPT. Here you must put your OpenAI API key. What does it mean? We can write here, I don't know how can I find API key. Can you help me? I just consider myself as a person who are not familiar with API. So it's mentioned visit this website and find your API key. Okay, I just click it. And once you click here, there is a dashboard. You have to click on the dashboard. There is API key. First of all, you have to top up your account for $2, $5, something like this. It will be enough. And you can go to the API and create a new secret API key. And once you generate it, you will have a key in your ChatGPT and you can copy and paste it to your code here. I just want to show you the code that I pasted here, and it is very important. You should not share this API key with anyone. After this video, I will remove this API key, but for the purpose of education, I want to show you how exactly look like. So you must paste it here and save it. After saving, we should go to terminal one more time, and you must mention like this, Python app.py. So here you can see it's running. What we should do, we should copy this one. It's a local server, and easily we can do like this. Here you can see there is a button of chatbot. You can change this button, you can change this title here, and easily you can ask question. Okay, as you can see, I just asked question, hi, it mentioned hello. So you can ask any question from this AI bot, and once you ask the question, you can go to the usage here. After a while, you will see that how many tokens that you used by this AI chatbot, and you can see about the prices you're using. For this number of usage, it will not be a huge amount of money, maybe lower than $0.0001 for each token. I'm not sure about the price for ChatGPT, but there is a hybrid answer also, for example, on the menu. So I can ask this question. So we offer coffee, sandwiches, and dessert preferred to time. And you can see this is a predefined answer that we use it. There are a technique that's called fuzzy. If you ask this AI chatbot different type of question than this, for example, right now we mentioned what is on the menu. So if the customer asks what is your menu or what do you have on your menu, so this AI chatbot cannot answer based on the predefined question. You must use fuzzy. This technique will find the similar question to your predefined answer. So if they understand 80% are similar, so it will show the same answer to the customer. I will put this download files for app and index file, so you can download it and you can use this simple AI chatbot. You can easily upload these two files to ChatGPT and ask them to change it to the fuzzy system. I want to answer the similar question to my predefined answers also. This will change your AI chatbot, but I'm telling you, this is completely simple. You can use ChatGPT for making better and adding some stickers, adding some emojis on your AI chatbot, and also you can improve the answers, the predefined answer, and you can train this AI chatbot for yourself. Another thing that is very important, how we can use DeepSeek. So easily we can go to DeepSeek, and here there's a start now. You can sign in on DeepSeek. It is similar to ChatGPT, and easily you can upload from here. So just write this prompt for DeepSeek. That's it. I want a similar AI chatbot which is working with DeepSeek API. I just run it and let's see what will happen. Create AI. So it's modified the app.py and also it will modify the HTML file. There is API DeepSeek and you must put your API key from DeepSeek here. So after finishing it, you can copy and change the app.py to this code, and easily you can access to your API from the DeepSeek website. I just top up the API here. In the pricing, you can add your account. Here, I just top up my account $2. If you put $2, it will work for more than 2 months, 3 months, for at least 10 businesses. Because it's very cheap and you can easily access to million tokens by $2. And here, there is an API key. Create a new API key and you can mention, for example, restaurant. For any businesses, you can create one API key for yourself. This is an API key. This is very important. You should not reveal this API key with anyone, because whoever has this API key, they can use it and they can just finish your amount that you put on your AI chatbot. You can copy and paste it in the code. That's easily, it can work. As you can see, I just remove it and I remove this API key because I don't want to share the API key that I already have. You can create your AI chatbot with DeepSeek or with ChatGPT. I prefer DeepSeek because you don't need to spend money like ChatGPT, because ChatGPT, especially version 4.0, it's very expensive and you receive the better answer, but I prefer DeepSeek. Maybe you have one question, how I can charge the businesses. You can ask them one-time payment, for example, $1,000 for creating AI chatbot and installing in their website or in their application, and you can receive a monthly payment based on the number of tokens. For example, if it's a small business, small restaurant, you can just offer them $5, $10 per month, and you will pay, for example, $1 to ChatGPT, and you receive $9 for yourself monthly from each restaurant. So you will have one-time payment, and you will receive monthly subscription from your customers. So this will be a great and unique idea, especially these days that people are looking for AI. Many people want to decrease the number of employees. So instead of having one employee to just answer the customers, they will install one chatbot for themselves. I hope this video can help you to understand how to start coding, how to create chatbot for the businesses, for your business or any other businesses that you want to sell to them. As always, take care of yourself.